executed according to the ascending order of their line number. I also told you this yesterday, that suppose I forgot a line to write between 10 and 20, and after writing the program up to line number 50, I remember to enter another line that must be there between 20 and 30, suppose. So how am I going to do? I'm going to take a number 25 that exists between 20 and 30. It can be 24, it can be 22, it can be 21, any number between 20 and 30. Give that proper line number to that line that you want, where you want to place it according to that. Okay, so here I'm going to type another command, input, enter another number. So after that, I'm going to take another variable, that is m, and now see that where would my this line number will be automatically adjusted between line number 20 and 30. So these are the features of a basic programs. So we have discussed today the structure of the basic program and how to type or load the program. Now the next question is, describe the rules for naming variables. This we are going to do in the next class. Okay, students. Yes, let's practice the load command also, CLS. Here, what you need to do is, go to the GW basic screen, and here I write new. As I told you yesterday that new stands for new will clear your memory. There will be no line now in the memory. So only the program that we saved at that time was square dot base. Let's see what did we write the program here. It was sq.bas. Now I am going to show you how to load this file here. As we have saved it, load means how are we going to open it. So first let's check our memory. There is nothing in the memory here. Okay, it shows us that list. I write the list command and nothing is shown here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to load the file that is there, that is on the desktop, square.bas, the program that we just typed. So press F3 key and type the name of the file, sq.bas. Now it shows me an OK message. It means our file is open, but we cannot see the contents of the file. As you do in Word, when you open the file, all the contents are shown on the screen. But here the case is different. What you need to do, you have to give the list command and then press enter. Now see, the magic has happened. Your program lines are here on your screen. So once again, revise all the steps, and I think my time is about to over for this class. See you in the next class with the rules for naming variables. Okay, we have 3 minutes, 3 more minutes. During that time, I can recap my lesson here. Today, what did we do? I explained you the term loading the program. Loading the program refers to bring it to memory, as I just typed the new command and the memory was clear, and then I give the load command F3. Okay, F3, and then from the secondary storage, that was the desktop hard disk. Desktop is a part of the C drive, and C drive obviously is the part of your hard disk. So we have stored a file on the desktop. We saved it first and then we press the F3 key, or you can type the load command and then type the file name in quotes, press enter, and the file will be loaded and ready to use, and you can run or edit it. For example, this file has been loaded. Now you can run it, F1, press a number. I gave the value 13. The program should give me the square of this number, 169. Okay. Then I told you, explained to you the structure of the basic program. How does a basic program look like, and what are the main features of this program? The first was every program statement must begin with a line number. Here we see that our program always has the preceding line numbers, and it is always arranged in ascending order of their line numbers. Okay, then it was told to us that it's always a good practice to end the basic program with end statement, but it is not mandatory, it's not compulsory. Okay, but it's a good practice. So because you are the students and you are the beginner, so you must adopt this habit to end every program using this statement. Right. After the line number, the structure of these points of the 2 points from the structure of the basic program, we studied that repetition of the line number is not allowed. Then I executed, I retyped another line number 50, and I showed you that if you by mistake give the same line number that already is there, that line is already there in your program, that previous line will be replaced, as I did with the line number 50 a few minutes ago. Okay, new line will be replaced, it will be overwritten. Okay, then the next feature says that you can type two commands in one, but those states, sorry, the two statements in one line, but those should be separated by colons. Students, remember that statements and commands are two different things in GW Basic. The difference we studied yesterday. Statements are these line numbers of the program. Okay, line number 10 CLS is the statement. It can be used as a command. If you type without line number, it will be executed as soon as you press the enter key. And but the basic statements are these. They have the line numbers and they will be executed according to their line numbers. Line number 10 will show its output first. So we have CLS on line number 10. If I run this command,
बस होने वाला था
yes, if I run this command, first the screen is cleared and then the message is shown to me. Let's find the square of another number. So every time, this is the feature of the variable, that every time you can give a different value and you can get a different correct output for it. Okay, so first I ran it for 8, and then I ran it for 13, and then now I ran this program for the 20. The 20, the correct square of the 2400 is given here. So this is what we studied today. And the last one was variable. Variables can be used without any type declaration. I did not tell that n is what type of n variable is. And I did not mention the data type of S. The beauty of this environment is whatever type of value you will give to n, the data type will be assigned automatically if you do not mention the data type. But if you have mentioned, the program will follow that data type for that variable. In the next lesson, we are going to discuss what are variables in detail, how can you name a variable, and how variables reside in memory when your program is executed. If you have any questions, you can write the questions in your group or here. So thank you so much. See you again in the next class.